Everyone, welcome again to Matrix Engineers. In our last previous video, we have seen that how we can update, delete, read data from database. Now we are going to see how we can delete data from the database. So now let us start. You are using NetBeans. As you know, our project name is a footballer. This is our project, and this is the design that we have done in our previous video: create or insert into the database, read to retrieve data from database and be displayed here, update to modify the information that you inserted into the database. Now we are going to see how we can delete data from database using this button. So now what you're going to do, you have to come here to delete button and you do double click here. This is where we are going to write our code. So now we are going to start. First of all, we have to declare their row that you will select for that you want to delete. So it is int selected row equal, we have to use table, the variable name of our table dot get selected row, have to use get selected row. So after that, what you're going to do, you're going to check if row is already selected. If selected row equal -1, here we are going to use the G option pen for show message dialog. So now have to write G option pen dot show message dialog. Here we use this, and here have to write the message that say please select a prayer to delete. Please select a prayer to delete. So after that, what you're going to do, is to define the prayer to delete. You're going to declare the prayer to delete. So you're going to use integer int prayer ID to delete. Have to use our table as a table variable of table. It is a variable of table. This name, it is this variable name. It's this table that you are using. So table dot get value at the width you are going to use selected row. Select selected low, and here I put here 0. So after that, we are going to cast here integer, you see. So now after that, what you're going to do, we are going to use our try and catch blocks for DB connection. Try, catch, exception, flow, new, ila, e. So now we're going to start the connection. So here we're going to create a connection con db equal driver manager dot get connection. Here I'll use gdbc MySQL localhost slash our database name football. Our database name is equal to football. So now here we have it to use the root as the user we are using in MySQL database, and the password is empty. So now after that, you're going to cast connection. So now after that, you're going to declare a string that will help us to delete data from table. So you're going to use string SQL equal delete from table name players where the field, the column is player ID equal question mark. So now after that, you're going to prepare the statement. Prepared statement PS equal our connection con db dot prepare statement. This is our SQL. We have it to cast prepared statement. So after that, what you're going to do, you're going to use our prepared statement ps dot set int. You see the selected the row have to be replaced with 1, and the here for width have it used player ID to delete this. Have it use this one, player ID to delete. So after that, you're going to declare the law that helps us to execute update. So now int law equal ps dot execute update. So now we are going to check if the player have deleted it successfully. We will get the message. So now what you're going to do, you're going to say if low is greater than 0, if low is greater than 0, G option pen dot show message dialog. We have to use it here this, and here we have to write the message that you need to get is the player information is deleted successfully. So after that, we have to use to remove that player. We have to use default table model. Table model. Table model equal table dot get model function, get model. We have to put this here, and you have to cast to default table model. So after that, what you're going to do, we are going to remove the selected row from the table. So now, in order to remove it, you have to write table model dot remove row. Here we have to use selected row. Selected row. So the row that we selected is going to be removed. So else the G option pen G option pen dot show G option pen dot show message dialog this, and have to write message of no player information found. So now we can close our connection. Con tb dot cross. So now we are going to run our program and see the result. Let's run file. First of all, let's read the data. You see, we have Kylian with player ID 3, Kylian Mbappe, Frank Ribéry, Jimmy Gatete, Wayne Rooney, John Evans. Now we are going to delete John Evans. Let's select. We selected John Evans and let's do delete and see the output. The player information is deleted successfully. You see, now we have deleted John Evans. Let's delete Wayne Rooney and let's press delete button. The player information is deleted successfully. You see, guys, if you're more interested, do subscribe for getting more update about the video that I upload. Will help you to become a senior or software developer. Guys, thank you for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.